The Jersey sleeping bag is the ideal first sleeping bag once your baby has outgrown their cocoon and is sleeping arms out. It has a slim fit and is made of the same stretchy fabric as our cocoons, so it is familiar and comforting for your infant. Always check the height and weight recommendations on labels to ensure you have chosen the correct size. You should be able to comfortably fit 2 fingers in the neck hole, and the armhole should be comfortable without feeling loose. All our sleeping bags are bell-shaped at the bottom to ensure hip health and joint growth. Ensure you choose the correct TOG rating for the room temperature and layer accordingly. Our Jersey sleeping bags come in 4 different TOG variations. 0.2 TOG for temperatures above 24 degrees, 1 TOG in both sleeveless and sleeve varieties for room temperatures between 21 and 24 degrees, 2.5 TOG for temperatures between 17 and 23 degrees, and our 3.5 TOG with sleeves for temperatures between 14 and 21 degrees. When dealing with overnight nappy changes, unzip your Jersey bag from the bottom and keep baby snug while you change them. When you notice your baby starting to reach the end of the Jersey bag or it becomes hard to zip up, it is time to size up your sleeping bag. If they start standing or climbing in their cot, it may be time to change to a sleep suit bag or a sleep onesie with legs. Our Jersey bags come in 3 to 12 month and 8 to 24 month sizes.